I'm going to pick out numbers to work this problem. And I know that S is 7 more than the least integer in T. And T is even numbers. So the smallest positive even number is 2. And then 4, 6, 8, 10. And then S, it's going to be 7 more than the first one. So that's going to be 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, and 27. So now let's find the average of each one. At sum up T, that's going to be 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 and 2 is 10. That's going to be 20. Add 10 more. That's 30. So 30 divided by 5, it's going to be 6 is the average. Now I've got to add these numbers together, and you add them up however you think is best. I am going to do this. If I add those up, that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 7, 8, and 7, it's 12, 13, 15, 16. That's going to be 96. And then 9 plus 11 is 20. And now I'm going to add these together. And that's 10, 20, 30, 40. 8 plus 7 plus 9, it's going to give you 64. And just go on the side of your paper and add numbers. It's faster than trying to figure it out. Now, if I add those numbers up, that's going to give me 84 and 96. 84 and 96, that's 0. That's 18. That's 180. But I need to take 180 and divide that by 10, and I get 18. So 18 minus 6 is 12.